Hi everyone, in this video we are going to talk about how to create sales credit note in Xero. So for that purpose we'll come in invoices tab. You can see all the invoices here, okay, and you will got also option of new credit note, as you can see here. And if you click on invoice, then you can also get option of add credit note from here. If you create credit note from here, then it will be auto allocated against the particular invoices. And if you create the credit note from outside, then you need to allocate against the respective invoices. So let's click here. So once you click here, we'll get this kind of display. Here we need to select the customer, then date, credit note number, references, then currency, and in description I'll enter sales return. Quantity would be 1, unit price. We select the same account, and this is gross amount, so change the amounts are tax inclusive, okay, and simply I'll approve. So once you approve this credit note, we'll get allocation display, as you can see here. So we need to allocate the credit note amount against the invoices of a specific customer. So I'm going to set up this credit note against this invoice. So I'll enter 600 here and I'll click on allocate credit. So this credit note has been allocated against that invoice. Okay. So you can see the status of both invoice and credit note as paid. And once you click on invoice, we'll get here less credit note amount, so amount due is 0, okay. And if you click on credit note, so you can see here invoice attached, and if you want to remove the allocation, then you can click on this button, okay. And simply you can print credit note from here, you can copy edit credit note from here, okay. So in this manner we can create credit note against sales invoices, and we can allocate the credit note against the particular sales invoices. This is for today. Thanks for watching. Kindly like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.